Aluminum rolling is a metalworking process used to reduce the thickness of aluminum slabs and ingots into thinner, more usable forms, such as plates, sheets, and foils. Aluminum rolling is carried out in rolling mills by drawing aluminum slabs and ingots through rotating rolls to reduce their thickness. The space between these rotating rolls is known as the roll gap. The roll gap can be adjusted either by drawing aluminum through the same set of rolls multiple times or through a series of rolls with progressively smaller roll gaps. There are two methods of rolling: hot rolling and cold rolling. Hot rolling involves heating aluminum slabs and ingots above their recrystallization temperature, which is typically between 300 degrees Celsius and 500 degrees Celsius, then passing them through rolls to reduce their thickness. The use of heat makes aluminum more malleable. Cold rolling involves rolling aluminum slabs or ingots at a temperature of around 80 degrees Celsius to reduce their thickness. Cold rolling results in a smoother surface finish than hot rolling. Aluminum rolling significantly improves the mechanical properties of aluminum, such as strength, durability, and uniformity. It is also a cost-effective production method that enables large-scale manufacturing of rolled aluminum products. Aluminum plates, sheets, and foils are used in beverage cans, pontoon boats, and in the construction industries due to their corrosion resistance and strength. Additionally, rolled aluminum products are infinitely recyclable, making them environmentally friendly and sustainable. Aluminum rolling ensures customization by allowing manufacturers to control thickness, width, and surface finish to meet specific industry requirements.